Hey, Aubrey London Bears.
Welcome back, you guys.
So, you all already probably know by the title what we are going to be eating today. But you're going to tell them anyways.
So, we're eating Flamin' Hot
Mozzarella sticks.
Mozzarella sticks.
Flamin' Hot. This is onion rings with mozzarella cheese in it. And these are just regular onion rings with no mozzarella cheese.
And this is corn.
Corn with Flamin' Hot Cheeto dust all over it. Some people call it elotes. So that's what we're eating.
Oh, don't forget to show them the sauces.
Yes, this is my homemade ranch. It consists of half part sour cream, half part mayo, and a ranch packet. And this is just some marinara sauce.
And my mom will leave the link down below how you can make all this.
Yes. So are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'm so excited. Let me try one with the cheese.
Let me try this one.
Some of the cheese already started oozing out.
Yeah. I'm gonna get this kind.
Look how thick that ranch is.
Mm-hmm. What is this one?
Marinara sauce.
Okay.
Mmm. Mmm. Mm-hmm.
Good?
Mm-hmm.
How did I have cheese in it?
These onion rings have cheese, these don't. I made both.
But how did you put the cheese in?
I took 2 onion rings, put them together, and I put the cheese in between them.
Mm. Yummy.
Mm-hmm. Mmm.
We need to try one of these.
It's good.
Yeah, it's like good, and like some of this is like kind of spicy. Like it's not fully done. Like it's not fully like not spicy, but kind of spicy, but not that spicy.
Tell me which one tastes better with the mozzarella sticks. Marinara sauce, or ranch.
Nail sauce.
You tasted already?
Mm-hmm.
So you like marinara sauce with the mozzarella sticks better?
Yeah. Because no, this is supposed to, it always supposed to go on here, so that's why it's good.
Mm-hmm.
Now I'm pulling.
Try to get the cheese pull.
Mm-hmm.
Mm. The onions are like sweet.
Mm-hmm.
It gives a good flavor. Okay.
Mom, tell them
Which one should I go first? Ranch with mozzarella stick or marinara sauce? Ranch.
Mom, tell them what drink are we drinking. Mm.
Mmm. Uh-oh, you got the cheese pull. We are drinking Ocean Spray white cranberry juice.
Mm-hmm.
Not water, white cranberry juice. Mm-hmm.
It might take, it might look like water, but it's really juice. Healthy juice.
The mozzarella sticks taste better with the marinara sauce.
I told you.
Mm. Mm.
I want to mix them and see how they both taste mixed.
Okay. Good? Mm. Mm. Mm, mm, mm.
Good?
This was really good. Mm. Let me know if you guys have ever tried white cranberry juice by Ocean Spray. It's so good.
And guys, I am so close. So close to 2,000 followers. I'm still far away, but I'm kind of close to 2,000.
2,000?
Mhm.
On TikTok?
Mhm.
Wow.
I have 1,100 and something followers.
So this is a regular onion ring with no cheese. I'm going to try it with marinara.
How good?
I like onion rings with ranch better.
Mom, tell me how the corn tastes. Because I'm going to try that next.
Yep. Onion rings with ranch tastes so good.
What?
Yummy?
Yummy. Mom, tell them what I'm learning about in school on math. I know. So I'm learning about tens and ones and hundreds. So if it was 101, 101, it'd be 100, 0, 0 tens, and 1 1.
Yes, good job.
Mm-hmm.
Right now, Aubrey is learning about numbers place value, like how many hundreds is in the hundreds place, how many tens is in the tens place, and how many ones is in the ones place. And she's doing very, very, very good.
And guys, I'm doing minus and plus, and when I was doing minus, I was doing big numbers like 98.
Yep. She's
And
learning
9,
subtraction
9.
and addition, and she is so freaking smart at it. So good. She learns so fast.
I'm gonna try one.
Want to try one? Okay, you want me to move the sauces?
I can't bite.
You can't bite it? Let me try one with you. Look at all that.
Ooh, it's spicy.
It's spicy? Mmm.
How is it?
Mm-hmm.
Good?
Mm-hmm.
Mmm. What's that? Let me try it.
You want to dip it?
Yeah. Try everything with the sauce.
Ranch and corn is good.
Mmm. Kind of spicy. Because I'm just getting this and this.
Mm-hmm.
You turn that corn up.
It's good. It's like, it's sweet from the corn, and then the saltiness and the spiciness come from the Cheetos.
I don't like it that much.
Because it's too spicy?
I'll eat that for later.
I don't know where to bite.
Like your lips. Okay, what should I try? Oh, this is gonna go like a Christmas tree.
Mm-hmm.
This one.
Look at how much Cheeto dust you left in the ranch.
That wasn't me. It wasn't. Mom! You know this is boring. Okay, which one is a cheesy one? Okay.
Mm.
Enjoying?
Mm-hmm.
Mmm.
You don't really like it? Or you like it?
I just tasted Cheeto.
Mm.
This, but I just don't like one thing about it. It's like not like full or stretchy.
Mm-hmm. You don't like it?
Here you have it.
You don't like the onion rings?
No. It tastes like just Flamin' Hot Cheetos, just dusted up
Mm-hmm.
and just on that, and then just with this. I just really taste this and just like 1% of that.
So it just tastes like onion and Flamin' Hot Cheeto?
Yeah, just 1% of onion and 100% of Flamin' Hot Cheeto.
Okay.
Okay, Mom. Ask me a math question with tens and ones and hundreds.
What is 20 plus 30?
50.
Good job!
Okay, ask me one with 10 and 1, so I have to end in hundreds.
What is 15 plus 7?
And 2.
Hmm?
And 2.
Good job!
Okay, now ask me one like where I have to do 110, like 10, 20, so 2, 10, and 0, 1. Like that. And hundreds.
What is 57 plus 9?
Wait, hold on. 7,
Mm-hmm.
58, 59. And hold on. What was the question?
57 plus 9.
That's me a different one.
63 plus 4.
It's 63, 64, 65, 66, 70, 67, 67.
Good job.
Now ask me more tens and hundreds. So like 8.
What is 110 plus 10?
120.
Good job.
I like these better than all the other ones.
Mm-hmm. I like the onion rings better.
I like this. I like it with this sauce
Mhm.
because it tastes better.
It's sweet, right?
Mm-hmm.
So good.
Guys, this juice is very healthy for you.
That juice is so good.
It's healthy for you, right?
Yep.
Comments.
Yeah, it. You got your shirt dirty. It's okay. I think I'm gonna eat one more and then I'm gonna end the video because I'm full.
We have to do shout out.
Oh yeah, we do have to do shout outs. I forgot.
Well, me. Really? I'm going to shout out, okay? So guys, if you guys want to stay tuned, make sure you subscribe and hit the thumbs up button. So You guys can watch us go to Toronto.
Mm-hmm. Oh, let me look for shoutouts. Okay, so the first shout out goes to Brit_chick_UK on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching our videos. Shout out to you. And thank you so much for commenting on Aubrey's Instagram.
And the next shout out goes to BKE Misha.
Yes, I don't know if it's B Kamisha or is it BKE Misha, but I will leave your name right here. Thank you so much for watching our videos. We love you so much, and thank you so much for commenting on Aubrey's Instagram. Shout out to you.
Wait, we have to do one more. 1, 2, 3 a day.
One more?
Yeah. So next shout out goes to Coleslaw Mommy.
No, it's Coleslaw Mommy. And I will leave your name right here. Thank you so much to you. Shout out to you. Thank you so much for watching our videos. We love you so much. And thank you for commenting on Aubrey's Instagram. If you all want a shout out, all you have to do is go follow Aubrey on Instagram at AubreyLondon_. Go send us a message or go comment on one of her pictures or videos. Comment on one of her posts. And yeah, that's all.
And guys, if you guys want to subscribe and your phone is like this, make sure you do it like this. And if the button is red, make it gray and turn the notification bell button on. And if you want to see us go to Toronto, give this video a thumbs up. Hit the notification button, give this video a huge thumbs up. Bye guys!